Hi everyone, it's Süleyman Lisbov from Seven Hills. Today I'm here with MedConnect Europe to talk to you about a few things. First of them is about the student properties still left in the market. We have a few options that will be suitable for you. The question is whether your location or the price is more important for you. So for example, we just had a viewing of this beautiful apartment that was 700 euros for a 2-bed with 2 bathrooms, which is almost something crazy. We have a few more apartments that are left around the university at a very reasonable price. So there's one thing we have to talk about. The apartments in the market always go with a few things. First of them is you have extra fees such as maintenance fee of the building, electricity, water, television and internet. The maintenance fee usually goes between 15 to 30 euros depending on how old and new is the building. The internet and television roughly go around 20 to 25 euros a month. The electricity and water completely depends on your usage. Most of the time, for a 1-bedroom, the electricity and water ranges somewhere between 4 to 60 euros. For a 2-bedroom, it can go all the way to 100 euros, even more if you always use your ACs. One of the most important things is how I can reserve a property. All the properties right now are with 2 deposits, which means you have to pay 2 extra rents to have the property reserved. They will also be written in your contract, which will play a role as your contract deposits. If you have any more questions or anything that you want to ask us, feel free to contact.